Rock Realty Report, July 2025. Happy summer. Super hot outside. We have some good stories today. As always, we're going to go into the data. We're going to go into some stories. It's kind of some legislative and budgetary changes coming in New Jersey that you should be aware of. Stay tuned. Let us know if you have any questions. And as always, feel free to reach out.
Last month delivered a vibrant mix of activity, showcasing a market that's both robust and evolving. Single-family homes, the bedrock of our housing landscape, saw their median sales price climb to a significant $600,000, even as closed sales experienced a slight dip of 0.5% to 4,963 units. Yet, with an average of just 33 days on market, these homes are still moving swiftly, and sellers are seeing an impressive 103.5% of their list price received. For sellers, this means continued strong equity and a favorable environment for listing, especially for well-priced homes. Buyers, however, face a competitive landscape with quick decisions and strong offers often being key to securing a property. Meanwhile, the townhouse and condo sector is truly stepping into the spotlight. We're celebrating a 2.1% increase in closed sales, reaching 1,887 units, and a noteworthy 6.6% jump in pending sales, hinting at more good news to come. Despite an uptick in days on market to 44, new listings surged by 16.2%, providing much-needed inventory in this thriving segment. Investors and buyers looking for potentially more accessible price points might find opportunities here as supply begins to grow. Even our adult communities are buzzing with activity, reporting a strong 21.4% increase in new listings and a respectable median sales price of $380,000. Now, while closed sales here saw a modest decrease of 3.1% to 650 units, the significant growth in available homes, up 44.1% year over year to 1,540 units, suggests exciting opportunities ahead. For those looking to downsize or find a community-focused lifestyle, more options are becoming available, potentially easing the competition seen in other segments. New Jersey's housing story is one of dynamic shifts and continued demand across all property types. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, understanding these trends is crucial. And speaking of crucial understandings, let's talk about big changes that just passed in New Jersey's state budget. If you're buying, selling, or investing in real estate, this could impact your bottom line in a big way. With the state budget finalized just before the June 30th deadline, new taxes are coming, and more may still be on the table in the months ahead. Let's break it down. And quick reminder, this isn't financial or legal advice. Always check with a tax and financial professional for advice on your specific situation. So, while Market Report gives us a clear picture of today, there's a crucial piece of news that could redefine tomorrow for New Jersey real estate. Governor Murphy and state lawmakers passed a $58 billion state budget. It avoids a government shutdown, fully funds public pensions and schools, and keeps the popular Encore property tax relief in place. To cover the gap, they're introducing some new taxes, and some of them are tied directly to real estate. Key change to watch. The mansion tax may soon get a major overhaul. Right now, if you buy a home over $1 million, you pay a 1% mansion tax at closing. What's being proposed for the next phase is a steep increase. 1. Homes between $1 million and $2 million would be taxed at 2%. 2. Homes over $2 million would be taxed at 3%. To truly grasp the financial impact, let's look at some concrete examples of what these proposed changes could mean for your wallet.
So instead of paying $10,000 on a $1 million home, you'd pay $20,000. A $2.5 million home would now carry a $75,000 tax bill. That's real money, and it can absolutely impact your budget, your closing costs, and even whether a deal moves forward. Now, the specific increase didn't make it into the budget that just passed, but it's still under serious consideration, and it could show up in legislation later this year or in next year's budget cycle. Will luxury home pricing shift? If these changes go through, homes near the $1 million threshold may get priced more strategically to avoid higher tax brackets. Now, what does this mean for you? If you're buying near the $1 million, $2 million range, you may want to act before the potential tax increases hit. If you're selling in the luxury market, pricing under these key thresholds might give you an edge. This reminder to review all your holding and selling strategies, especially if you're in high tax zones. And the bottom line, the timing of your move matters more than ever. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or making any real estate moves in the near future, now is the time to plan ahead, especially if you're within 6 to 12 months. If you want help reviewing your options, just send me a message. We're always available. Send a direct message. You can text us at 201 3765, and we'll walk you through what you want to consider. Or you can send us an email at robert@rockrealtygroup.com. And be sure to follow for more updates because we'll be releasing follow-up videos with more detail on how this could impact specific towns and price points here in New Jersey.
So, as we end, here's a quick recap of what we have talked about. The New Jersey real estate market in last month was dynamic. Single-family homes saw their median price rise to $600,000, not selling quickly, 33 days on market, with sellers receiving 103.5% of list price, despite a slight dip in closed sales. The townhouse and condo sector is thriving, with a 2.1% increase in closed sales and a 6.6% jump in pending sales, plus a 16.2% surge in new listings. Adult communities are also active, with a 21.4% increase in new listings and a respectable median sales price of $380,000. A major development is New Jersey's new state budget, which introduces real estate tied taxes. A proposed overhaul to the mansion tax could significantly increase costs from 1% to 2% for homes between $1 million and $2 million, and to 3% for homes over $2 million. While not yet finalized, this proposed change is under serious consideration and can impact property pricing and closing costs, making the timing of real estate moves crucial.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll keep you informed.